Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Paryushan is right around the corner and we have a perfect dish for this lovely occasion. So let's start making Sukhdi. Ingredients required for Sukhdi are wheat flour, jaggery, gum also known as gundar, ghee, almond flakes and grated coconut. First, we'll take around 3 tablespoons ghee. Once our ghee is heated, we are going to add 2 tablespoons gum, and we are just going to allow it to cook. It will become double in its size. Gum is really very good for our health. Once it changes its color, we are going to remove it and keep it aside from the ghee. I have added another 2 tablespoons ghee. Now just add 1 cup wheat flour and start stirring it. We are going to cook this. We are going to cook this till the time we get a nice aroma of our wheat flour. Once it changes its color, we are going to add jaggery. So that's around 2.5 tablespoons jaggery. We will turn off the gas. Now I am going to add another 2 tablespoons ghee. Then we will add the gundar which we just fried. The almond flakes, that's 2 tablespoons. As this is Paryushan special dish, we are going to use kaatki badam. And have taken 2 tablespoons grated coconut. So this is the dry coconut which I have used. If you all don't want to use kaatki badam, you all can use the normal badam as well. We are just going to on the flame and I have allowed it to cook for 5 minutes. It has thickened up and now just grease a plate and we will set it in this. Spread it and then with some vessel, maybe a glass or a small bowl, just evenly flatten the surface. It's going to be hot, so just be careful. Just spread some almond flakes on it and we will allow it to rest for at least half an hour and then cut it into pieces. After allowing it to set for half an hour, we will cut it into pieces and this is how it looks. And our Sukhdi is ready. Our Sukhdi is ready. I hope you all like this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.